Welcome to Motoring Defence Solicitors. My name's Neil Sargent and I've been specialising in defending road traffic cases now since 2008. If you're watching this video, I assume that you've either already been charged or are about to be charged with drug driving. You might feel worried or anxious about the proceedings moving forward and what will happen to you, so hopefully this video can provide you with some useful information and insight so you can make a much more informed decision about what to do next. If you would rather speak to us directly, then please just feel free to give us a call. Alternatively, you can fill in a callback request on our website and we can arrange an informal chat about your case completely free of charge. Drug driving is essentially the offence of driving or attempting to drive a motor vehicle whilst over the prescribed legal limit of a controlled drug. In respect of illegal drugs such as cannabis, cocaine and ketamine, the legal limit has been set at such a low level that it's almost a zero tolerance approach. You only need a very small amount of any of these drugs to be in your system for you to be charged. With prescription or legal drugs, it is a little bit more complicated, but there are factors that need to be considered, such as whether the drugs were prescribed. If they were prescribed, were they taken in accordance with the prescription or any instructions you were given by your doctor or healthcare professional? Whether the drugs actually impaired your driving in any way? The police should have requested a blood sample from you, and you may be watching this whilst waiting for the results of the analysis. This might mean that you've not been charged, but hopefully this information will help you either way. Drug driving is one of the more serious offences that a motorist can face, and the penalties are very similar to those imposed in drink driving cases. Whilst most people already know that a drink driving case attracts a 12-month disqualification, some people might be unaware that this also applies in drug driving cases, and there are in fact a range of penalties that the court can impose. Depending on how serious the case is, you might be facing a much longer disqualification, a community order, or in the most serious cases, a prison sentence. So we would always recommend that you get some advice from a specialist as soon as possible. If you're dependent upon your driving licence, or you need to avoid a conviction for any other reason, we can assure you that we leave no stone unturned when scrutinising the prosecution's evidence against you. And whilst no firm can ever guarantee a particular result, what we can guarantee is that if there is a way to defend your case, we will be able to find it once we look at the prosecution's evidence. Most people who face this charge assume that they've got no choice other than to plead guilty, and this is simply not the case. We've specialised in defending allegations exactly like this now for over 15 years, and are proud to say that we have a very high success rate in doing so. We've helped countless motorists across the country defend their case and keep their driving licence intact. So if you are facing this allegation, then please do give us a call. We can help you understand the options and discuss any potential defences that you may have.